Hello mga motorista! Welcome back na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. For today's episode, we are here at Toyota Cagayan de Oro. And i-compare na natin yung ating Hilux GRS na nasa likod natin, color white. And compare that with the Hilux Conquest 4x4 as well. You might want to watch this video para malaman nyo yung spec differences and equipment na different sa kanilang dalawa. So pag-uusapan natin yan in detail lahat dito sa ating video. So tara, simulan na natin and samahan nyo ko in this tour. Let's go! So mga motorista, if you're looking for both of these pickup trucks, no? So kung titignan nyo yung ating white Toyota Hilux mga motorista, napakaganda niyang tignan. I really like this new design sa ating GRS and especially sa kanyang grille, no? Very Tacoma-like, very unique. If you compare that to the Hilux Conquest, as you can see, you did have an improvement when it comes to the wider track for the Hilux Conquest. Pero kung titignan mo siya up front, it's just the same Conquest design that we know and we already have for a few years back. This is much cheaper. So pag-usapan na natin yung price na bago natin i-continue yung ating video. Yung ating GRS is priced at 2,186,000 mga motorista, and that is quite more expensive than this Conquest model, priced at 2,072,000. They're actually one of the more expensive pickup trucks if you compare the competition. But again, these are both the latest updated models from the Hilux range. Bi-beam LED headlights, LED turn signal lights, and LED DRLs. Toyota na name here instead of the Toyota badge, which is rather unique. And then kita din natin, yan, meron tayong front camera, you have your radar sensor right down below, and pati yung lower part ng ating bumper is quite nice looking. Moving on to the side, unique din yung ating design sa ating fog light housing. As you can see, LED din siya, and you have here your front parking sensors on the side. Now, if you compare the Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x4, nothing changed, same lang ng headlight. The difference here is the front fascia, A-type grille, the standard Conquest na grille. You have your radar sensors right behind the Toyota logo. You have your front camera, so parehas lang sila, and front parking sensors, parehas lang din sila. Right? So that is the front end of these pickup trucks. In my opinion, if you have the money, go for the Hilux GRS in terms of design. I really do like this new styling for the Hilux. So meron din tayong GR na badge, which makes it more special. So ngayon naman mga motorista, tignan natin yung rims and tires nilang dalawa. You have a Bridgestone Dweller highway terrain na tire. This is the stock tire that's on the Hilux Conquest ever since. And not bad naman tong tire na to, very expensive tire as well. But again, limitations are for a 4-wheel drive pickup truck, it is highway terrain. If you want to go off-roading, kailangan mo talaga tong palitan. And then of course mga motorista, you have here your ventilated disc brakes sa harap. Dito naman sa ating Hilux GRS, mas aggressive lang yung kanyang pattern. Although, it's still 60-40 mga motorista, hindi talaga siya aggressive yung tread pattern natin. But again, it's an all-terrain tire from Dunlop, Grand Trek yung ating name. So, glossy black yung ating rims. And of course, since this is the GRS, special yung rims natin. I really like the design as well. And then, kita natin na, again, you have red calipers na merong GR. And also, definitely the springs dito sa ating GRS is thicker than the springs that you get dito sa ating Hilux Conquest. So tignan nyo naman yung difference mga motorista, yeah. Right? But both of them has these extended swing arms para mas malaki yung kanilang, or mas malapad silang tignan on the outside, Kaya meron tayong mga extended din fender flares. Ito naman sa ating Hilux GRS, meron tayong butas dito to have more airflow, I think. But I think more of aesthetic yung ating design dyan. And then dito, standard lang, mas in-extend lang ni Toyota yung sides ng ating Conquest. Now, moving on, meron silang mudguard. Dalawa, standard na yan. And dito din yung difference, no? Matte yung ating Hilux Conquest, gloss yung ating side mirror sa ating GRS. Meron silang mga camera sa ilalim, and then meron din silang mga paddle lamps dalawa. Yung ating mga step board parehas lang din, matte yung door handles natin sa Conquest, gloss dito sa ating GRS. See, different din yung designs for the fender extensions here, no, sa Conquest natin and the GRS, no. So medyo mas longer or mas malapad siyang tignan. Nakalabas yung ating gulong compared dito sa ating step board. Now onto the back. So disc brake na yan, okay, and then yung ating shock absorber, same with the GRS, which we will look at. So yung ating shock absorber din, mga motorista, is nakalabas na din siya. Okay, and then moving on to the GRS, disc brake pa din tayo. You have red calipers as well, mga motorista, dito. Then hindi ko nabubuksan. You have special shock absorber for the GRS. So if you want the more sporty ride, I think go for the GRS, mga motorista, ano. And again, parehas lang sila, leaf spring suspension dito sa likuran na part. So another big difference is that dito sa Conquest natin, for the axle, meron siyang stabilizer bar. Kung if you can see it, no, meron tayong stabilizer bar. This is part of that, going on to the other side, or going to the other side. And also wala tayong bar dito sa likuran, no, like the GRS. Now moving on to the GRS, ayan, we don't get any stabilizer bar, mga motorista, no. Meron tayong bar here. I'm not so sure how you can put a tow hitch dyan, mga motorista, but it's a solid piece of metal sa likuran. Yung rims and tires natin is the same sa nakalagay sa ating mga pickup trucks. Okay? So dito sa likuran ng dalawang pickup trucks na ito, mga motorista, no, the big difference here is that dito sa ating Conquest, meron tayong parang housing here for the high mount stoplight. Nakalagay dito yung ating Hilux na chrome na name, and then you have your reverse camera also. And then different din yung color dito pagdating sa GRS. Meron pa din tayong blind spot monitoring for this 4x4 Conquest. So lahat ng mga chrome dun sa ating Hilux Conquest is blacked out na dito sa ating GRS, which looks really nice in this white color. And pati na din yung ating rear part, pati na din yung ating step board here, and also the bumper is painted gloss black to make it look more sleeker. So ayan yung difference, very minor lang talaga. So unfortunately, no, sa ating mga Hilux, wala pa din tayong mga power outlet here like the Ford Ranger and Ford Ranger Raptor offers, no. So sayang wala dito. Now another thing that's different is yung ating GRS gets a new sports bar. It's a more simple sports bar than this one. So ito, meron siyang kasamang bed extender. If you want that extension dito para mas marami kang makarga, kunin mo tong Conquest. Pero if not, if you just want a stylish and more sporty looking design, di hamak na maganda din yung ating GRS. And naka fin type antenna si GRS. In comparison sa ating Conquest is antenna pa din tayo. So mga motorista, ito yung ating interior ng ating Hilux GRS. And if you compare it to the Conquest, no, mas maraming stuff dito. Of course, you have that additional 100k plus na difference, no. So ano yung difference, mga motorista, sa ating Hilux GRS from the Conquest? So tignan muna natin dito sa ating steering wheel. Number one dyan na difference is yung ating steering wheel is meron siyang paddle shifters. Walang paddle shifter si Conquest, and which we will look at later. Yung steering wheel natin is quite a bit different, no? Mas higher quality siya na leather material here. You have your GR na mga naming here. Meron tayong red strip here to make it look more special. You have your controls for the screen, the 4.2-inch screen, and yung display din natin sa harap is quite different din siya. Mas simpler siya na design sa ating tachometer and speedometer. But everything else that you want, no, is already here sa ating display sa harap. So yung ating screen here, dito sa harap natin is a 9-inch display. Parehas lang sila sa Conquest, mga motorista, walang mawawala sa'yo. And overall, dito na part is the same sila, no, identical talaga. Going down to this infotainment system, you have your 4x4 controls, which will be the same for both. So meron kang dual zone climate control first and foremost. Meron din tayong 4x4 na mga buttons natin. Downhill assist control. You have your rear lockers dito mga motorista sa ilalim na part. Meron tayong downhill assist control. You have your rear lockers. You have your traction control button dito. So meron tayong dalawang 12-volt outlet here. And we have your two 12-volt accessory outlet dito mga motorista. And meron tayong 1, 2, 3, and 4 blank switches, no? One thing that is not nice is wala na tayong USB ports here. So if you want to connect wired yung ating Android Auto and CarPlay, yung side, no, ng ating infotainment system, very aftermarket siya mga motorista. But you do have Type-C connection dito and standard USB Type-A. Yun lang nga is kailangan mong mag-route ng cable. So medyo magulo siya and hassle siya mga motorista, no, in my opinion. Masakit sa mata pag gagawin mo yan. Thankfully, meron tong wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's really nice. Another add-on for the GRS is meron tayong Qi wireless charging here instead of just any kind of storage area. So sa Conquest natin, storage area to. Meron tayong Eco mode, meron tayong Power mode, and I really think na mas aggressive yung Power mode dito sa GRS mga motorista. So yung pagka-calibrate nito is quite a bit different than the Conquest model. Meron pa din tayong mga pop-out cup holders here. Meron tayong blind spot monitoring. You have your camera button here. And yung ating camera is definition is still not good in my opinion. Wala mang pa talaga yung mga Chinese manufacturers dito sa ating mga cameras for the Hilux models. And you have your parking sensor button off dito din. You have your pop-out na mga cup holders. Automatic headlights. Meron din tayong automatic up and down, no, one-touch windows. And also, lock and unlock buttons are all here mga motorista. Same lang to sa ating Hilux Conquest. Nothing different there. And auto-dimming rear view mirror is the same. Basically, everything's the same. Except also for the seats. Now, the seats are quite different. Si GRS has a parang suede material dito sa kung saan ka umupo. And sitting here na sobrang init mga motorista, no, I've been switching these two pickup trucks, no. Pumunta ako sa Conquest, pumunta ako sa GRS, and definitely hindi siya ganun kainit yung material dito because it's kind of cloth material mga motorista, no, but it's still kind of stiff. So yung mga leather material lang niya is on the side, which is nice. Meron din tayong embossed na GRS na mga logo as well. Right? So, ayan mga motorista yung ating seats. Now, by the way, for both the GRS and the Conquest, you get electronic powered seats. Wala siyang memory seating and wala siyang lumbar adjustment. So, if you want the Hilux GRS, red din yung ating seat belts. So, that's kind of a unique thing and you're paying for it dito sa ating GRS. So, dito naman sa likuran ng ating Hilux Conquest, no? So, you have leather seats, perforated siya, which is new for the 2024 model Conquest. And meron na tayong rear air vents for the Conquest 4x4. Ambient lighting is also here. But basically, this is still similar, no, sa previous model natin. Not a lot has changed dito sa likuran. Wala pa din tayong USB ports dito sa likod. If you want all the ports and the plugs that you need, go for the Ford Ranger mga motorista. You will not find that dito sa ating mga Hilux. Okay, so sarado natin and go to the Hilux GRS. More special material here. You have that red seat belts. Parehas lang yung ating mga cup holder, nothing changed there, and you still have, ayan, air vents dito sa likod. So again, the seat belts are the upgrades here from the Conquest. Nothing too different talaga sa likuran. So when it comes to safety mga motorista, no, very similar silang dalawa. So both of them gets adaptive cruise control, hill start assist, hill descent control or downhill assist control. Meron din silang blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, plus yung 360 degree view camera. So you don't lose anything when it comes to the GRS going from the Conquest to the GRS. So, same lang talaga sila ng mga safety features. 7 airbags pala silang dalawa. Let's take a look at the engine sa ating Hilux Conquest and Hilux GRS. So, let's start with the Conquest, no. Identical engines. I don't see any difference mga motorista on the outside. So maybe the tuning is different talaga dito sa ating Hilux GRS because it has more power. But again, it's the same engine, 2.8 liter, no, direct injected turbo diesel mga motorista. No? So ayan yung ating turbocharger dyan. So you get 204 PS and 500 Newton meters of torque in comparison to the GRS na it is higher power model. It has 224 PS and 550 Newton meters of torque. So both have 6-speed automatic transmission, pero si GRS has a different tune sa kanyang transmission than the normal Hilux according to Toyota. So another upgrade dito sa ating Hilux GRS mga motorista is you have your sport pedals right here, which we don't have. No, normal pedals lang, but again, it's kind of you can accessorize the Conquest also if you want the GRS look, no, na mga pedals. So what do you think sa ating Hilux Conquest and Hilux GRS? No, is it worth getting the GRS for 100,000 plus, no, na add-on? Let me know down sa ating comments mga motorista. In my opinion, I would get the GRS if I have the money mga motorista, mainly because of the looks alone. I really like the looks of the GRS. It's a unique design from a Toyota Hilux mga motorista. So that is more attractive to me in comparison to the Conquest na parehas lang talaga sila ng looks, no, as the pre-updated model. So once again motorista, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures and I'll see you on the next episode. So another upgrade dito sa ating Hilux GRS mga motorista is you have your sport pedals right here, which we don't have. No, normal pedals lang, but again, it's kind of you can accessorize the Conquest also if you want the GRS look, no, na mga pedals. So what do you think sa ating Hilux Conquest and Hilux GRS? No, is it worth getting the GRS for 100,000 plus, no, na add-on? Let me know down sa ating comments mga motorista. In my opinion, I would get the GRS if I have the money mga motorista, mainly because of the looks alone. I really like the looks of the GRS. It's a unique design from a Toyota Hilux mga motorista. So that is more attractive to me in comparison to the Conquest na parehas lang talaga sila ng looks, no, as the pre-updated model. So once again motorista, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures and I'll see you on the next episode.